Welcome! In front of me I have Apple Watch SE 2nd generation, and I'm gonna show you how to turn on and how to turn off the Siri voice assistant. First, we need to wake up the screen on our watch, and we can do it by tapping on the screen, pressing any of the buttons. Once you wake up the screen, you can press the crown button to open the menu. Now scroll through the menu, find the settings icon, and tap on it to open the settings. In settings, you should see this page, the settings page. Now scroll through this page, find the the Siri option, and tap on it to enter the Siri settings. And here we have the first category called Ask Siri, and we have listen for Hey Siri, rise to speak, and press digital crown. Basically, these are 3 ways you can bring up the Siri to ask the question or give the command. And if you disable all of them, it will turn off the Siri completely. So we can disable the Hey Siri, rise to speak, and digital crown. You will get this prompt, and then you can tap on turn off Siri to completely disable the feature, and you won't be able to bring her up anymore. So that's how you disable the Siri. If you want to enable it, you can enable all of the 3 options or only one of them. So if you enable at least one, you will get this prompt. You can tap on enable Siri, and now you should be able to use it. For example, we enabled the listen for Hey Siri, so you can say Hey Siri, Hey Siri, Hey Siri. Should be working. Hey Siri. But for now it's not. Weird. So let's enable the digital crown too, and we can press and hold the digital crown to bring up the voice assistant. Well, that's not what I said, but okay. Basically, you can bring it up and tell me a joke.
2 fish ran a tank. One
Like
looked
this.
over to the other and said, "Do you know how to drive?"
The Hey Siri command should work as well. Hey Siri, tell me a joke.
Why do people tell actors to break a leg? Because every play needs a cast.
Okay, so it works now. For some reason it wasn't working before. So like I said, you can enable all of them or only one if you want, or you can have 2, depends what you like. And that's how you enable and how you disable the Siri voice assistant on this device. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving a like on the video.